All right, so Edgenuity's down, and you guys are telling me on Teams how very bored you are. So we're gonna do an experiment today. I'd like for you to try this at home, and if you want, send me your videos and share it with the group. So what we're gonna be doing today is something called Bernoulli's Principle. And let me show you what that looks like in action. By the way, hairdryer, ping pong ball. Oh, let's try that again. Stop it. Okay, so why does this work? Well, as the air rushes up to the ball, it actually has to go around it in order to continue moving up. Now, Bernoulli's principle tells us that because this air has to move around the ball, it's actually having to move at a greater distance. And it's actually having to move a little bit faster. So this fast moving air actually creates an area of what we call low pressure. So we have low pressure here and we have low pressure here. So if there's low pressure on this side and low pressure on this side, that means out here is high pressure. Oops, it'd be nice if I could spell. And out here is high pressure. So what happens is this area of low pressure and reacts with the area of high pressure. So the high pressure is actually holding the ball in place. Okay, so here's another example of Bernoulli's Principle. This is actually a children's toy that I bought a long time ago. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to blow into the straw and you'll see what happens. Ready? There you go. The fast-moving air moving around created an area of low pressure on both sides, actually all the way around, and the high pressure helped keep the ball in place. Here's another example you can try. If you have a straw at home and a ping pong ball, or if you try it with a piece of paper wadded up into the shape of a ball, you should get the same reaction. Now, you need to blow on the straw first and then put the ping pong ball in. Now, here's one more example of Bernoulli's Principle. And now my lovely lab assistant Katie is going to help us explore an even bigger application of Bernoulli's Principle. You ready? Sure. In a completely unrelated experiment to Bernoulli's Principle. So let me see your reactions. Videotape yourself showing me Bernoulli's Principle and share.